Okay, leveraging English learner assets and building homeschool connections. Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will discuss cultural responsive teaching, supporting the needs of English learners and building strong homeschool connections through an asset-based approach. Culturally responsive teaching culture plays an important role in teaching and learning because it's influence how students communicate, intend with the others, solve problems, and view education. Students bring valuable cultural experience in traditions and knowledge into the classrooms, which can support their learning when um, recognized and valued by teachers. Competence is the ability of educators to understand, respect, and effectively work with students from diverse cultural backgrounds. For English learners, teachers create learning experiences that connect classroom instructions to student cultural identities and live experiences. This helps students feel respected, included, and motivated to learn. Culture also influences language acquisition. When students feel safe, respected, and welcomed, they are more willing to participate and practice language skills. Inclusive classrooms environment promote positive relationship, reduce anxiety, and encourage risk-taking in language learning. Teachers can create inclusive environment by establishing respectful classroom norms, celebrating cultural diversity, and ensuring all students feel a sense of belonging. Number 2, support the needs of English learners in the classrooms. English learners have diverse strength, background, and identities. Effective teachers differences instructions by providing visual support, sentence frame, graphics, organizers, and opportunities for collaborate learning. These strategies help students assess grade level content while developing English proficiency. For English learners with special learning needs, collaboration among classroom teachers, ESL specialists, special education staff, and families is essential. Instruction should be individualized and based on students' specific strengths and challenges. Supporting the special and emotional needs of English learners is equally important. Many ELS may experience feelings of isolation, language barriers, or cultural adjustment challenges. Teachers can support students by building positive relationship, creating opportunities for peer interaction, and fostering a classroom cultures that value diversity and inclusion. Understanding students' social, emotional, and cultural need is important when establishing class rules and procedures. When routine are clear, predictable, and culturally responsive, students feel more comfortable and confident. This creates a positive learning environment where students can focus on academic and language development. Number 3, now we are talking about the number 3, which is called the home and school connection. Family and community practices often offered to as a funds of knowledge provide valuable resources that influence language learning and academic success. Families possess rich cultural experiences, skills, traditions, and knowledge that can strengthen classroom learning when knowledge and incorporated into instructions. Building a strong partnership between families, schools, and communities requires intentional communication and collaboration. Teachers can foster these partnership with maintaining regular communication, offering translated materials, using interpreters when necessary, and creating welcoming opportunities for family involvement. At the end of the video, we are talking about the conclusion. An asset-based approach recognize that English learners bring valuable linguistic, cultural, and experiential resources to the classrooms by implementing culturally responsive teaching practice, supporting students' social and emotional needs, and building strong partnerships with families and communities. Educators can create equitable learning environments where all students can thrive. When teachers view diversity as a strength, and English learners are empowered to achieve academic success while maintaining pride in their cultural and linguistic identities. And that's all I need to say for today. Thank you so much for listening my video. You have a good day.